In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted messages here on Messenger. Before you get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but this is actually super easy to do. The first thing you're going to want to do is obviously open up the Messenger app. And after you do open up your Messenger app, the first thing that you should check is your archived chats. Just make sure that the messages weren't archived instead of deleted. If you've already checked that and the messages aren't there, what you're going to want to do next is tap on the menu button down in the bottom right. And then up in the top right, go ahead and select your settings. From here, go ahead and scroll down until you see the Meta Account Center section and go ahead and open it up. Once you do open it up, scroll down a little bit and you're going to see your information and permissions. Open that up and from here, go ahead and select access your information. It's now going to redirect you into a page that looks something like this. We could scroll through here towards the very bottom and just select download your information, and it's going to once again redirect you to a page that looks like this where you're going to be prompted to sign into your Facebook account. After you sign in, go ahead and hit create export, and it's going to go ahead and prepare a copy of your data and download it to your device, usually in your Files app depending on which phone you're using. That download can include Messenger message data and even chats that you thought were deleted. But that is it. That is how you can recover deleted messages here on Messenger. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.